Now let's set up the remaining panels. Go back to the project's dashboard and repeat the steps outlined above. For instance, click on DP1/HDP or DP2/LDP and continue to follow the instructions outlined above for MDP. To connect each panel to the power distribution system, go to the panel and in the top left corner at the Fed From cell, click on Select to open the drop-down menu and select MDP. Then, let's connect panel HDP to MDP, selecting circuit number 1. Note there is one change for LDP. At the Panel Characteristics group, select 208 from the drop-down menu for the line voltage. For panel LDP, select circuit number 2 on the MDP. Both distribution panels are now part of the power distribution system. You can click on the PDT or Power Distribution Tree button to see them. Next, let's set up another branch circuit panel, or PNLA. Go back to the project's dashboard and follow the same procedure as for PNHA. But this time, select 208 volts in the wizard. Now let's connect panel LA to the power distribution system. Go to Fed From and select MDP from the drop-down menu. In the Select the Circuit Number in the Parent Panel dialog box, select 5 and then click the Submit button. Now panel LA is connected to the main distribution panel, or MDP's circuit number 5. Now let's add another branch circuit panel LB using the same steps as for branch circuit panel LA. Now let's connect panel LB to the power distribution system. Go to Fed From and select MDP from the drop-down menu. In the Select the Circuit Number in the Parent Panel dialog box, select 7 and then click the Submit button. Now panel LB is connected to MDP's circuit number 7. Now let's do a building equipment schedule. Click on the control panel in the black ribbon to enter the project's dashboard and click on the BE1/Chiller button to open the schedule. Then, go to the Equipment Utilization Voltage region and select 480 from the drop-down menu. Next, select 3 for the phase or pH from the drop-down menu. Now in the Electrical Characteristics region, under Load Type, select AC. Under Volts, select 480. Under Phase or pH, select 3. Under the FLC cell, enter the equipment's full load current of 98.3. Then, go to the black ribbon and click on the Calculate button. Go to Fed From and select MDP from the drop-down menu. When prompted to select a circuit number, select circuit number 6. Now the building equipment chiller's electrical requirements are calculated and connected to MDP circuit number 6. Now repeat this process for BE2 or AHU1. Use 5 horsepower for the load. Then connect the building equipment to distribution panel HDP, selecting circuit number 1 from the drop-down menu. And let's add BE3 for the supply fan. Set the equipment utilization voltage on 208. And select 10 for the horsepower. Connect this building equipment to distribution panel LDP at circuit number 1. Next, let's add BE4 for the water heater. Set the voltage at 208. And enter 4.5 for the kVA. Connect this building equipment to branch circuit panel LA at circuit number 1. Finally, let's add BE5 for the exhaust fan. Set the voltage on 480. Enter 3 horsepower and calculate. Then, connect this building equipment to the MDP, selecting circuit number 9. This process will be repeated for all panels and building equipment schedules until all necessary circuits and equipment are input and connected.